Welcome to moonreading.com reviews. If you are looking for your personalized moon reading, then moonreading.com is the best option for you. What exactly is a moon reading? Moonreading.com teach people about their moon sign and what it reveals about their personality and potential for positive change. It provide accurate and insightful guidance about your moon sign and astrological chart, and how to use this new understanding to attract an abundance of love and prosperity. How does moon reading work? When you request a moon reading, their advanced software generates a 3D model of the solar system on the day you were born, and calculates the transits and aspects of the moon and planets. They take this data and combine it with our comprehensive library of astrological information to create a personalized moon reading, totally unique to you. Click link below for special discount link for your moon reading. How moon reading can help you. Find out where you have been misplacing your focus and attention, and where to redirect it so you can finally end your struggles. See life-changing and transformational insights into your personality that you can use to build long-lasting, powerful relationships. Understand upcoming obstacles you may be facing, the lessons you can learn from them, and the steps you need to take to conquer them. Empower yourself with your hidden strengths and talents, and discover how to grow them with ease. In addition to the moon reading, you will also get a truly transformational guided meditation called the Mystic Cave Meditation that helps you unlock your personal power and align with your highest purpose by taking you on a hypnotic journey of self-discovery. Check link below for free moon reading,